Cardano value equivalent to 6.6540 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.6063. 6.8128. The earlier day close, 6.7117. The change was 0.0577. 0.86%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 1. Cost 6.69 rands. High 7.16. Low 6.22. Cardano estimate on Thursday. Walk 2. Cost 6.90 rands. High 7.38. Low 6.42. Cardano cost forecast on Friday. Walk 3. Cost 6.75 rands. High 7.22. Low 6.28. Cardano estimate on Monday. Walk 6. Cost 6.46 rands. High 6.91. Low 6.01. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 7. Cost 6.42 rands. High 6.87. Low 5.97. Cardano figure on Wednesday. Walk 8. Cost 6.40 rands. High 6.85. Low 5.95. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 9. Cost 6.16 rands. High 6.59. Low 5.73. Cardano figure on Friday. Walk 10. Cost 6.28 rands. High 6.72. Low 5.84. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. Walk 13. Cost 6.20 rands. High 6.63. Low 5.77. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Tuesday. Walk 14. Cost 6.24 rands. High 6.68. Low 5.80. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15. Cost 6.40 rands. High 6.85. Low 5.95. Cardano figure on Thursday. Walk 16. Cost 6.18 rands. High 6.61. Low 5.75. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. Walk 17. Cost 6.59 rands. High 7.05. Low 6.13. Cardano figure on Monday. Walk 20. Cost 7.19 rands. High 7.69. Low 6.69. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21. Cost 7.00 rands. High 7.49. Low 6.51. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 22. Cost 7.01 rands. High 7.50. Low 6.52. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 23. Cost 7.35 rands. High 7.86. Low 6.84. Cardano conjecture on Friday. Walk 24. Cost 7.36 rands. High 7.88. Low 6.84. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. Walk 27. Cost 6.65 rands. High 7.12. Low 6.18. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 28. Cost 6.53 rands. High 6.99. Low 6.07. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 29. Cost 6.76 rands. High 7.23. Low 6.29. Cardano conjecture on Thursday. Walk 30. Cost 6.49 rands. High 6.94. Low 6.04. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano conjecture for Walk 2023. Before all else cost at 6.72 rands. Excessive cost 7.88. While low cost 5.73. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.74. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.63. Change for spring 1.3%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 6.63 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.23. While low cost 6.07. The found the middle value of cost 7.16. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.69. Change for April 16.0%. Cardano gauge for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 7.69 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.69. While low cost 6.01. The found the middle value of cost 6.96. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.46. Change for May 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 6.46 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.46. while low cost 5.05. The found the middle value of cost 5.85. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.43. Change for June 15.9%. Cardano estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 5.43 rands, exorbitant cost 5.48, while low cost 4.76. The found the middle value of cost 5.20. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.12. Change for July 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 5.12 rands, exorbitant cost 5.67, while low cost 4.93. The found the middle value of cost 5.26. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.30. Change for August 3.5%. Cardano gauge for September 2023. To start with cost at 5.30 rands, exorbitant cost 5.30, while low cost 4.39. The found the middle value of cost 4.93. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.72. Change for September 10.9%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 4.72 rands, exorbitant cost 5.79, while low cost 4.72. The found the middle value of cost 5.16. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.41. Change for October 14.6%. Cardano gauge for November 2023. To start with cost at 5.41 rands, excessive cost 5.41, while low cost 4.22. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.90. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.54. Change for November 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 4.54 rands, excessive cost 4.54, while low cost 3.54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.11. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.81. Change for December 16.1%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 3.81 rands, excessive cost 3.81, while low cost 2.98. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.45. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.20. Change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 3.20 rands, excessive cost 3.81, while low cost 3.20. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.44. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.56. Change for February 11.3%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1503 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1468, 0.1514. The earlier days nearby 0.1490. Change for now plus 0.